How to insert hyperlink in Microsoft Whiteboard. In this video, I'll show you how to insert hyperlink in Microsoft Whiteboard. So to get started, go ahead and open the Microsoft Whiteboard application into your PC or mobile device. So you can download Microsoft Whiteboard on both PC and mobile. And then from there, go ahead and create a new whiteboard. And then from here, you can go ahead and start with a template or start with a blank canvas. So I would like to start with a blank canvas. So to insert a link, click on More Options at the bottom of your screen and then click on Link. Paste the link into the section and then click on Insert. Now, another way to insert a link on Microsoft Whiteboard is through pasting the link directly into this page. So simply click on Control V and it will pop on your screen. So this is how it would look like. So those are the two ways for you to insert links on Microsoft Whiteboard. So if you want to add more links, you can do that repeatedly to add more links to your whiteboard. So this is very useful if you're actually creating a Kanban board. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.